everyone, welcome to Psychophilia. We all know women are naturally attracted to confident and assertive men who know what they want and go after it. And it's a great feeling when women are attracted to you and actively pursue you. But how can you become that man? Here are 15 proven strategies to make her chase you. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss any point. But before we get into this video, click the subscribe button for more videos like this. And let us know if you have ever tried any of the tips mentioned in the video. Let's begin. 1. Mind your appearance when you are around her. Make sure you're well groomed and dressed when you're around her. But don't go overboard. Make it appear like this is the usual for you. A woman admires a man who cares about his body and appearance. 2. Make a memorable first impression. When trying to impress someone, a good first impression can make all the difference. While impressing someone may come naturally to you, you want to make a good first impression that is also unique in order to get her to pursue you. Many people have probably tried flirting with her or complimenting her, so try something unique that will set you apart from the crowd and make her remember you. 3. Don't be clingy. It's good to make yourself dependable to someone you know cares about you, but there is a limit. It's easy to come across a little clingy if you're constantly hovering around her, trying to help her at every opportunity. Find a perfect balance by being dependable but not clingy. Show her that you're there for her if she needs you, but she needs to reach out to you for anything else. 4. Let her know you're open to a relationship. No, you do not have to confess your undying love for her. Show that you are interested in a relationship if the right person comes along. This will show to her that you too are prepared to date the right person at this time and that you are both on the same romantic wavelength. She may wonder if she fulfills the right person criteria and if you've considered her as a potential partner. Keep her guessing, and her interest will grow. She might be more likely to make the first move. 5. Show your mysterious side to her. Make yourself a mystery for her to unravel to set yourself apart from other potential partners in her life. Don't start acting shady or that you become evasive and unclear in your conversations. Make yourself a person who is difficult to figure out, to spark her curiosity and keep her interested in finding out more. This will help spark her interest in getting to know you and, hopefully, pursuing a romantic relationship with you. 6. Keep your romantic feelings for her a secret. It's not necessary to hide your feelings from the woman you like, but if you want her to be the one who pursues you, it's almost a must. Be a good friend to her, spend time with her, and help her out if she needs it, but don't tell her you're romantically interested in her. Avoid obvious flirting and cheesy pickup lines. If she finds out that you are obsessed with her, she will assume that you are always available and will not feel the need to chase or pursue you. 7. Make your hangouts a group affair. Interacting with her one-on-one is an excellent way to get to know her better. However, if you do it too frequently, it can reveal your actual feelings and emotions for her. Try to hang out with mutual friends more often to give the impression that you're not too interested in her, or to show her that you don't want to make the first move. It will disguise your intentions and force her to try to grab your attention. 8. Make sure you are the one who knows her the best. Getting to know her well is a good way to get her attention. This will improve the quality of your conversations and overall relationship, and make her feel more comfortable communicating with you. Learn about her likes, dislikes, and dreams. It's an easiest and most efficient way to make her the one who initiates connection and keep her wanting to come to you. 9. Be an excellent listener. Women are drawn to good listeners because they want to talk to or put trust in them. Be this person for her without making it all about yourself or risking oversharing. This will encourage her to talk to you and get to know you better because she will want to be there for you if you ever want to share something. 10. Try to be the one who ends a hangout. Someone is always the first to say they need to leave or have something else to do at the end of every gathering or hangout. Ideally, you should always be that person. You don't have to feel bad about pretending to have other things to do if you make it clear that you had a good time hanging out with her. Leave for the time being, but let her know you'd like to meet again. This will spark her interest. 11. Get to know her friends. You can also try to get closer to her friends without being too obvious about it. This increases the chances of meeting in a group situation. Gain the trust and admiration of her friends. You never know, they might say something nice about you to her, which will help your case. 12. Have a strong sense of purpose. Having a strong sense of purpose means having a clear idea of what you want in life and working towards achieving it. Whether it is a successful career or a personal passion, having a strong sense of purpose will make you stand out from the crowd and attract women towards you. 13. Make her jealous in some way. A little jealousy is good for you. Given that you are not officially in a relationship, there are many attractive women who may try to attract your attention or flirt with you. Make her jealous or show her that you have someone's attention by engaging in healthy flirting without going overboard. This may push her to prove to you that she is perfect for you. 14. Have a positive attitude towards life. It is important to have a positive attitude towards life. Women are naturally attracted to men who are happy, positive, and fun to be around. You don't have to be the life of the party, but having a good sense of humor and a positive outlook on life will make you more attractive to women. 15. Be confident. Confidence is key, especially if you want to be chased. When you meet her, be confident and friendly. If you act uncomfortable or nervous, she may not only find you unattractive, but she may also conclude that you are not someone who can be taken seriously. So, don't be afraid to make decisions and take action. Women love men who are not afraid to take the lead and make things happen. Becoming a man that women chase after is not rocket science. It is all about self-improvement. You need to focus on becoming the best version of yourself. If you want her to chase you, you need to demonstrate that you are a high-value guy who is attractive to many women. You can do this by being choosy in your dating life. Don't forget to live your own life. Stay focused and carry on with your life so she thinks you're an active, involved, and busy person who doesn't obsess over her all the time. She will find you irresistible if she sees you to be composed and ambitious. Share your experience if you have used other strategies to attract women. If you like this video, click the like button so we know you like what we create. Subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video and want to watch more.